Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. You are watching RD Basic Learning. Today we are going to discuss about some important science GK quiz. Question number 1. The SI unit of force is answer B. Newton. Question number 2. Which of which of Newton's law state that every action has an equal and opposite reaction? Answer C. Third law. Question number 3. The acceleration due to gravity on Earth's surface is approximately answer B 9.8 meter per second square. Question number 4. The CGS unit of work is answer A erg. Question number 5. Which physical quantity is measured in Pascal? Answer C pressure. Question number 6. The escape velocity from Earth's surface is approximately answer C 11.2 km per second. Question number 7. The moment of force is also known as answer A torque. Question number 8. The principle of conservation of momentum is based on Newton's answer C third law. Question number 9. The SI unit of power is answer C watt. Question number 10. A body moving with uniform circular motion has constant answer B speed. Question number 11. The dimensional formula of momentum is answer A ml t to the power minus 1. Question number 12. Which of following is scalar quantity? Answer C energy. Question number 13. The weight of body is maximum at B poles. Question number 14. 1 horsepower is equal to answer B 746 watts. Question number 15. The center of mass of a rigid body answer C may lie inside or outside the body. Question number 16. The time period of a simple pendulum depends on answer B length of pendulum. Question number 17. Friction can be reduced by answer B using lubricants. Question number 18. The unit of angular velocity is answer B rad per second. Question number 19. Kepler's law are related to answer A motion of planets. Question number 20. The value of G is minimum at answer C center of Earth. Question number 21. Work done by a force is maximum when angle between force and displacement is answer 0 degree. Question number 22. The law of inertia is Newton's answer A first law. Question number 23. The centripetal force is directed towards answer A center of circle. Question number 24. The SI unit of angular momentum is answer B kg into meter square per second. Question number 25. Banking of rods is done to provide answer B centripetal force. Question number 26. A rocket works on the principle of conservation of answer C momentum. Question number 27. The dimensional formula of pressure is answer A ml to the power minus 1 t to the power minus 2. Question number 28. Static friction is answer A always greater than kinetic friction. Question number 29. The velocity of a freely falling body increases at the rate of answer B 9.8 meter per second square. Question number 30. Impulse is equal to change in answer C momentum. Question number 31. The universal gravitational constant G has the dimensional formula. Answer A m to the power minus 1 L to the power 3 T to the power minus 2. Question number 32. A body is equilibrium has answer B 0 acceleration. Question number 33. The orbital velocity of satellite depends on answer B radius of orbit. Question number 34. The coefficient of friction depends on answer C nature of surface. Question number 35. Simple harmonic motion is a type of answer B periodic motion. Question number 36. The range of projectile is maximum at an angle of answer B 45 degree. Question number 37. Kinetic energy of a body depends on answer C both mass and velocity. Question number 38. The CGS unit of force is answer B dyne. Question number 39. A geostationary satellite has an orbital period of answer B 24 hours. Question number 40. The dimensional formula of work is answer B ml to the power 2 T to the power minus 2. Question number 41. Terminal velocity is achieved when answer B net force is 0. Question number 42. The principle of lever is based on answer B moment of forces. Question number 43. Elasticity of a material is measured by answer A Young's modulus. Question number 44. The unity of frequency is answer B hertz. Question number 45. Archimedes principle is related to answer B buoyancy. Question number 46. Pascal's law is applicable to answer D fluids. Question number 47. Bernoulli's theorem is based on conservation of answer C energy. Question number 48. Surface tension has the dimensional formula answer A m to the power minus 2. Question number 49. The viscosity of liquids decreases with answer A increase in temperature. Question number 50. The instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure is answer B barometer.